Hi everyone. So if you remember, in my previous video, I gave you all the list of all the possible career options you can explore if yours is an arts background. But in today's video, I'm gonna go a bit specific and give you all the list of all the possible career options English literature graduates can explore. Now before I actually begin this video, let me all tell you that whichever career options or whichever courses I'm going to suggest you in this video are definitely meant for English literature graduates. But this doesn't mean that students belonging to other stream cannot pursue them. They definitely can. So yes, without delaying much, let's begin. So the very first option which you have is pursuing your masters in English literature. Now this is very commonly taken path. Now pursuing your masters will help you specializing in a particular section of literature. With your MA in English, you can set your career in the fields of teaching, writing, translation and so on. Now the second in the list and one of the most widely chosen career options will be pursuing an MBA degree. MBA stands for Master of Business Administration. So if you have done your simple BA in English literature, you need not worry because this degree course is available to any stream students. Pursuing an MBA degree will help you establish your career in the corporate field. The third in the list will be doing a course in event management. Now, if you are a creative person and you have a good deal of interest in organizing, in exhibiting, in executing, in planning, then you should do a course in event management without a doubt. Next up is a very widely emerging career option, and you being an English literature graduates can definitely go for this field. Public relation industry is one of the most rapidly expanding industries which can give you an edge over your career. So if you are a person who has a good negotiation skill, good communication skill, which I'm sure you all have, and good convincing skills, then this field is for you. Now this one's a no-brainer because this career option seems 1000% fit for English literature graduates. Good communication skills, good analytical power, good amount of sincerity and a presentable personality are some of the prerequisites which you need in the field of journalism. Yes, journalism is one of the most widely chosen career options amongst English literature graduates. Another very common and open career option I would say for English literature graduates would be to pursue law. Yes, if you have done your graduation in English, after that you can enroll yourself in a 3-year LLB course and you can pursue your law and you can make your career in the field of law. So a very lucrative, a very exciting and above all a very reputed career option is waiting for you to explore. Next, you can be a professional writer. Now I'm quite sure that an English literature graduate has good writing skills, has good imaginative skills, and above all, an English literature graduate loves writing. So why not this? Field of teaching is a great option to go with. So once you have done your BA in English literature, pursue your masters in the same subject. Do your PhD, publish some papers, complete your dissertation and your degree is complete. You can thereafter apply for different posts in different universities. Next up is a very parallel and unique job for English literature graduates, the job of a librarian. So after you have done your BA, you can pursue your masters in library sciences and get yourself a good career. Lastly, you all have a very open career choice which is going for government exams like civil services, railways, SSC, banking, etc. So yes guys, please think not that if you are an English literature graduate, you have limited career choices to explore. In fact, whichever courses or career options I listed in this video aren't enough. There are actually a lot more career choices available to English literature graduates than we can even think of. So on this note, I wrap up my video and I hope you really liked it. And one thing I would want to add here, that a lot of you people are requesting me to make more history related videos, which I'm surely gonna come up with. And yes, if you liked today's video, please consider liking it, sharing it as well, and subscribing to my channel. Until then, be safe, do well, and keep connected, and thank you for watching.